Open the oil inlet and the oil outlet valve. Click the icon to enter into the operation interface. Click the Start under the oil filling to start the oil filling process. When the oil reaches the high level or warning level, the process will be stopped automatically. Or click the Stop under the oil filling. Click the Start under the oil flushing to start oil flushing process. You can click the settings to set the heating temperature, target flow, and the VFD setting. Here, you can set the heating temperature you want. 44 heats of VFD setting equals to 72 cubic meters per hour. Click the Manual Operate to enter into the manual operation interface. Click the heater switch to control the heating system. When you want to stop the oil flushing process, click the Stop under the oil flushing. Power off the machine. Press the power switch in the electric cabinet or press the emergency stop on the electric cabinet panel. Close the oil inlet and the oil outlet valve.